Next, the influencer moves on to the camera, taking viewers through various sample photos taken with the device. He points out the strengths and weaknesses of each camera lens and demonstrates the phone's editing capabilities. Throughout the review, he provides his personal opinion on the device, highlighting its standout features as well as any potential downsides. He also compares it to its main competitors, discussing why it may or may not be a better choice. At the end of the video, he gives a final verdict, stating whether he would recommend the device and who would benefit the most from it. He also provides a link in the description for viewers to purchase the phone if they are interested. The video ends with a call to action, asking viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. As the influencer signs off, viewers are left feeling informed and empowered to make a well-informed decision on their next smartphone purchase. Statistical evidence of its effectiveness. A survey revealed that 80% of marketers find influencer marketing effective, with 71% agreeing that the quality of customers and traffic from influencer marketing is better than other sources. Posts featuring influencers see a higher engagement rate, sometimes by as much as 50%, compared to traditional brand posts. Influencer campaigns can generate up to 11 times the ROI compared to traditional marketing strategies, with an average of $6.50 for every $1 spent. The effectiveness of influencer marketing can vary based on industry, with fashion and beauty seeing the most success, 93% and 91%, respectively, while non-profits see the least success, 65%. Other industries that saw high success rates included food and beverage, 87%, travel, 84%, and entertainment, 83%. Influencer marketing is becoming more popular, as the number of sponsored influencer posts on Instagram alone has nearly doubled from 2016 to 2017. This trend is expected to continue as more brands and companies see the benefits of collaborating with influencers. Types of influencers. Categories: mega, macro, micro, nano. 1. Mega influencers. Mega influencers are individuals with a massive following. Literally over 1 million followers on social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. They are often celebrities, media personalities, or popular public figures. Due to their large following, they have the ability to reach a wide audience and have a significant impact on their followers' behavior and opinions. They often work with major brands and command high fees for sponsored content. 2. Macro influencers. Macro influencers are individuals with a significant following, typically between 100,000 and 1 million followers on social media platforms. They are often experts in a particular niche, such as beauty, fashion, or fitness, and have built a strong personal brand within that niche. They have a loyal and engaged following and can drive a high level of engagement and conversions for the brands they work with. 3. Micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are individuals with a smaller but highly engaged following, typically between 10,000 and 100,000 followers on social media platforms. They have a deep connection with their followers and are considered to be more relatable and authentic. They often specialize in a specific niche, similar to macro influencers, and can be more cost-effective for brands to partner with. 4. Nano-influencers. Nano-influencers are individuals with a small but highly engaged following, typically between 1,000 and 10,000 followers on social media platforms. They are considered to be everyday consumers who are passionate about a particular topic or product and share their opinions and experiences with their followers. They often have a strong influence within their immediate circle and can be effective in driving word-of-mouth marketing for brands. 5. Bloggers. Bloggers are content creators who regularly publish articles, videos, or other forms of media on their personal blogs or websites. They may have a large following on their blog or social media platforms, a specific niche, or expertise in a particular industry. They often work with brands through sponsored blog posts or collaborations. 6. YouTubers. YouTubers are individuals who create video content on the video sharing platform YouTube. They can have a large following and influence within their specific niche and can be effective in promoting products and services through product reviews, unboxing videos, or sponsored content. 7. Instagrammers. Instagrammers are individuals with a significant following on the photo and video sharing platform Instagram. They often specialize in a particular niche or industry, and they have a highly engaged following. Brands can partner with Instagrammers to reach their target audience through sponsored posts, stories, or collaborations. 8. TikTokers. TikTokers are individuals who create short-form video content on the social media platform TikTok. They often have a younger and highly engaged following and can be effective in promoting products and services through creative and entertaining videos. 9. Podcasters. Podcasters are individuals who create and host audio content on various platforms, such as Spotify and Apple Podcasts. They often have a specific niche or area of expertise and can have a dedicated and engaged audience. Brands can collaborate with podcasters to reach their target audience through sponsored content or partnerships. 10. Public figures. Public figures are individuals who hold a prominent position in society, such as politicians, activists, or industry leaders. They often have a large following on social media platforms and can use their influence to promote products, services, or causes. They are also often sought after for collaborations and partnerships with brands. Understanding the reach and engagement of each category. They are more likely to make repeat purchases and also recommend the brand to others. Loyal customers not only bring in steady revenue but also act as brand advocates, promoting trust and credibility with others. 3. Differentiates from competitors. In today's competitive market, trust and credibility can be key differentiators for businesses. Customers are more likely to choose a brand that they trust over its competitors. A strong reputation for trust and credibility can give a brand an edge in the market and attract more customers. 4. Increases customer retention. Maintaining trust and credibility is crucial to retaining customers. When customers trust a brand and are satisfied with its products or services, they are less likely to switch to another brand. This results in increased customer retention, which is more cost-effective than acquiring new customers. 5. Encourages positive word of mouth. Word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool, and it all starts with trust and credibility. When customers have a positive experience with a brand, they are likely to share it with their friends and family, leading to positive word of mouth. This can result in new customers and further establish the brand's trust and credibility. How to establish and maintain trust and credibility in marketing. 1. Consistency and transparency. Consistency and transparency in all marketing efforts can help build trust and credibility among customers. Be consistent in your messaging, brand values, and quality of products or services. Also, be transparent about your processes, pricing, and any potential issues. This conveys honesty and builds trust with consumers. 2. Provide excellent customer service. Excellent customer service is crucial to establishing and maintaining trust and credibility. Respond quickly and effectively to customer inquiries and concerns, and provide timely and satisfactory solutions. This shows that the brand values its customers and is willing to go the extra mile to ensure their satisfaction. 3. Use customer testimonials and reviews. Customer testimonials and reviews are powerful tools for showcasing trust and credibility. Share positive reviews and testimonials on your website and social media platforms to demonstrate that your brand delivers on its promises. This can also help alleviate any doubts or hesitations potential customers may have. 4. Be authentic and ethical. Authenticity and ethical practices are vital in building trust and credibility with consumers. Avoid making false claims or misleading customers. Be transparent about your business practices and strive to deliver on what you promise. 5. Engage on social media. Active engagement on social media can help build trust and credibility with customers. Respond to both positive and negative comments, share valuable content, and interact with your followers to establish a personal connection with them. This can show your brand's authenticity and build trust with your audience. In conclusion, trust and credibility are essential in marketing, as they help build strong relationships with customers and differentiate a brand from its competitors. By consistently providing quality products or services, being transparent and ethical, and engaging with customers, businesses can establish and maintain trust and credibility, leading to long-term success and growth. The psychology behind influencer marketing highlights the importance of trust, relationships, and social influence in driving consumer behavior. By understanding these psychological principles, brands can create effective influencer marketing strategies to reach and engage their target audience.